Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Xiaomi C200. So it's super simple. All you have to do is that from the bottom, or when you're gonna not bottom, you're gonna take the camera, you can swipe it to the top, and here under SD card you're gonna have a reset button. Do you see that? So here you have to just press and hold it, and you need to like a pinhole or just something small. And when you're gonna press it for a hold, it's going to say, oh, it's resetting. So I'll try to use a yeah, I don't have anything small. So all you have to do is just like take something small like a pin, a paper clip, or something that you can insert it there. Yeah, I can't find anything. And you're gonna insert it into the hole, and then it's going to say to you that it's been resetted. And that's how we're gonna do it. I just wanted to show you the location there. There's a paper clip and put it right there for like 3 to 5 seconds. This thing is going to change to orange to say that it's going to be reset, and then it's going to ask you for a new connection, and that's it, how it's done. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helped you, and have a great day, and goodbye.